Hello everyone, today we are going to do a science experiment called Chroma illusion. So we have a test tube, milk, styling stick, yellow color food color, red food color, blue food color, a transparent glass and water. The test tubes are full of water are almost at the top. So one test tube. We have water. Slowly going to fill the water in one test tube. Then we are going to fill the other one also with water.
Step 2. Add 2 drops of red into the first test tube and a scoop of milk. Mix using the stirring stick.
Now let's take the red food color, open it and put 2 drops. 1 drop, 2 drops. Now we are going to take milk. Let's pour it. So now we have the spoon to take the milk. So I'm just going to put 1 spoon of milk into the see this? Now we are going to mix it with the stirring stick. Yep, we are done with that step.
Step 3. Similarly, mix 2 drops of blue along with a scoop of milk in the other test tube. And along with it, mix it with the stirring stick again.
So I'll take the blue color, put it in the second tube. 1 drop, second drop. Now we are going to again take a scoop of milk. A scoop of milk into it. We've done a scoop of milk. Now we're going to use the stirring stick and mix it. Now you can see we have blue and red over here.
Step 4. Fill half of the glass with water. Add 2 drops of yellow and mix.
So take the transparent glass, take water, let's pour it, oops, we have done a half glass of water. Now take the yellow color, open and 1 drop, 2 drop and mix it. Now we have yellow, red and blue.
Step number 5. Dip the first test tube vertically into the glass. Observe through the filled glass.
So let's dip the red test tube inside the yellow water.
Step number 6. Now try the same with the second test tube and observe.
I'll take the second test tube, blue one, and put it inside the yellow glass.
Now, did you see the color of the test tube change when looking through the filled part of the glass? What colors do you see?
We see yellow, red and blue mixed.
So you can see that in the pink test tube you see pink and orange. In the blue one you can see blue and green. Now, what is the science behind this? This happens because in your line of sight, both the colors appear mixed. This is why we see new colors in the area where both the colors overlap.
So, I hope you have understood what is the science behind this. So, I will come with another experiment video. Till then, bye bye.